Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M33, and today I'll show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this device. And for this process you will need a SIM eject tool. I have one right over here, and you can find it somewhere in the box between the paperwork, but if you can't, you could use paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have one of those, you want to pop out a SIM tray, which is located on the top left side of the device, as you can see where the pin is holding right now. This is cut out with the hole. Push the pin in, and you can see that the tray pops out ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it and take it out. Now on the tray you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. I will occupy one of each. There we go. Now SIM card, if you're using just one, you can place on either tray, it doesn't really matter. And obviously you can also use 2 SIM cards if you choose to. From there, insert it back into the device. You might want to be careful about it. There's nothing holding those cards in place, so they could just kind of fall out or just wedge themselves out of the tray. But once you insert it, meaning the tray, cards should start working right away, and I already seen notification about the SD card. So yeah, there's the SD card, and this is new message features skip. Oh, okay, and that was an interesting message. Oh, and I do have reception right here from my provider. So there we go, both of them are working just fine now. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.